The news in detail. Meghalaya Deputy Chief Minister Sngau Bhalangdhar, in charge of transport, informed that the state government is awaiting a feasibility report on whether larger aircraft can land at Shillong Airport. The report, being prepared by a consultant appointed by the Airport Authority of India (AAI), is expected by the end of October. Dhar expressed hope for a positive outcome, emphasizing the government's concern regarding the issue.
Nearly, we are yet to receive the final report with the consultant. So as soon as we receive the report, we will take a call. It seems the report is in the positive direction. They told they will submit last week of October as per the information from the consultant. So hopefully, and we as a government, we are very concerned on this. We are very much concerned on that.
Meghalaya government is contemplating